You're watching a special broadcast on News 9 Live right now. We're here in Jantar Mantar, where the joint Unnao Delhi Tribal Students' Forum is currently holding a solidarity protest. Let's take a look at what's happening over here. You've got hundreds of students that have gathered over here. You've got currently a professor of the Manipur University speaking to the people of Manipur, people who have now stationed themselves, got settled here in Delhi. It's a hot, hot day. People have their water bottles, people have their umbrellas with them, but more importantly, the placards that read total separation, separate administration, president ruled right now, Chief Minister Biren Singh down, hashtag tribal lives matter. All of those things you can see in these placards. It's a colorful flurry of umbrellas, but below that are the actual words why they're all here. We've had students who've come up on stage trying to tell us the ordeal of the intervening night of 3rd and 4th, telling us what really happened in Manipur University. People who are putting out information about the loved ones, the relatives that they've lost. Right up there is a list. It's a list of the 83 people who have on record lost their lives so far. It has been listed, their name, the village that they come from. Now, it's important to note here that there are two sides to this conflict. There's the Meitei side, and then there are the tribal groups. Now, the tribal community is here protesting against the Meitei community. They're angered right now because even as Home Minister Amit Shah himself is in Imphal, touched down a slew of meetings that have taken place. Peace process, it seems, is taking time. And now Amit Shah has asked for another 15 days for peace and tranquility to prevail, if at all any negotiation has to happen on the negotiation table.
My name is Thangmin Lal Dongel. I belong to Kuki community, Kuki Jo community. I live in Churachandpur, settled in Delhi. And the purpose of today's protest is to demand for a separate administration. I know that's hard to digest in the hearts and minds of those people at the other end, but that is the only option that is left for us. So today, we're demanding for separate administration. At the same time, asking the center government to look into this problem of Manipur more deeply and come into a final conclusion. Maybe implement the president's rule at the earliest so that more lives are saved. Something has to be done. Unless there is president's rule implemented ASAP, I think the lives of the Kuki Jo people are at stake.
Is that the only way, my friend? I mean, there's no other way. No, I mean, demands of a separate administration. The word separate, it just falls a little different on other people. You have to understand that as well. People who are away from Manipur, and I know it's not your fault. People are away from Manipur. They don't really understand the socioeconomic fault lines that are at play on the ground over there. But the word separate administration, president's rule, I mean, these are hefty words. Is there no other way for solution here?
Separate administration doesn't mean we are asking an administration that is away from the Indian Constitution or India, right? We are asking a separate administration within the Union of India. Now, separate administration, why? The problems, the violence, the enmity that is existing in the state of Manipur amongst, say, Kukis and today the Meiteis is not a new thing. And in fact, if you go a little further, you have the Nagas inhabiting the state of Manipur. There's been a lot of enmity existing between these three communities. So asking for a separate administration is not a new thing. In fact, it has been incubating in our hearts and minds for a very, very long time. But today, like Rajat Sethi, who was the former advisor to Chief Minister, rightly said, it's like a tinderbox. So it was just a little friction that needs the spark.
If you've got boards behind you, it says president rule right now. How do you think this is suddenly going to come in and help you out, help the viewers understand?
See, president rules. Why? Because president rules only implemented only when the state machinery fails to look into the law and order problem. You see, there is an utter failure of the law and order problem in the state of Manipur. That is why we are asking for a president's rule.
The anger is clear out in the open, and the sensitivities with which the tribal communities are holding this protest is also something that one has to compliment. There were chants of Sare Jahan Se Hacha, Hindu Sita Hamara. There were patriotic chants that were taken up. There were clappings that were done for the Home Minister and the Prime Minister alike, but not so much for the Chief Minister. They understand that separate administration, the word separate, can have heavier connotations. But at the same time, the word separate does not mean outside the Constitution of India, outside the Union of India. They just want a separate administration. They think they'll be better as neighbors. They want complete separation from Manipur. What's going to happen next? There is socio-economical fault lines at play over here. You've got the poppy cultivation that's doing the rounds. Hindu versus Christian is another factor that's at play over there. Jobs, land acquisition. And it's not a tipping point that has come because of the latest Manipur High Court order. This is something that has been brewing up under the rug somewhere ever since 2017. What will happen next? Where is this particular conflict leading to? Well, we'll have to find out. This is Kabir Naqvi with Manish Srivastav for News 9.